In this video I will show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. I'm not a big fan of long and difficult algorithms that you have to learn by heart. I want that people understand what they are doing when solving the cube. Therefore, I will show you a more intuitive and interesting way to solve the cube. We will use so-called commutators and conjugates. This is not the fastest way of solving the cube, but much more interesting than learning algorithms by heart. Okay, here we have a scrambled Rubik's Cube. The first thing you need to do is to arrange the white edge pieces around the yellow center. There is no particular approach to do this. Just try around a bit and you will see it's not that difficult. So we want to have the white edge pieces around the yellow center. Here is a white edge piece, so we move it up. Here is another one, so we move it up there. Here is another one, so we move it up. Now we have these three edge pieces around the yellow center, and the last one is here. So we move it up. Okay, now we have the white edge pieces around the yellow center. Now we match the color on the side of one of the white edge pieces with the proper center piece, like that. Blue over blue. Then we rotate that face 2 times, like that. Now that piece is down there. We repeat that with the next white edge piece. We match the color, so green over green, and then we have to rotate the face 2 times. Now it's down there. We do the same for the next edge piece. So we match red with red. And then we rotate that face 2 times. Now it's down there. And one last time for the last edge piece. So orange is matched with orange. And then we rotate that face 2 times. Now it's down there. You should now have a white cross at the bottom of the cube. And the colors of the edge pieces of that cross fit the colors of the center pieces. Now we will complete the first layer by solving these corner pieces. You need a white corner piece in the top layer of the cube. Make sure white is at the side and not at the top of the corner piece. It is always possible to position and orientate a white corner piece in the top layer in this manner without messing up the white cross and already solved corner pieces in the bottom. Okay, here we have a white corner piece in the top layer. White is already at the side of the piece, so that's alright. Now we position that piece right above the place where we want it to be. So this would be there. Red, blue, and white. So we position that piece right above the place where we want it to be. Now we look at the cube like that. The color white has to be at the side of the cube, so in our case the left side. And then we do the following. You twist the face up, then you rotate the upper layer in your direction, and then you twist that face down again. And you see that corner piece is now positioned correctly in the bottom layer. Now we do the same for the next white corner piece. This is a white corner piece in the top layer, but it has white at the top, so we won't use it right now. We are looking for a white corner piece that has white at its side. So for example, such a piece here. This piece has white at its side, and it's already positioned correctly above the place we want it to be. So green, orange, green, orange. Now we look at the cube like that, so that white is at the side of the cube, so in our case the right side of the cube, and then we do the following. We twist that face up, we rotate the upper layer in our direction, and then we twist that face down again. And you see, this piece is now positioned correctly. We will do the same for the next white corner piece. So this white corner piece has white at its side, so we will use it. We position it right above the place we want it to be. This would be that place here. So orange, blue, orange, blue. Now we look at the cube like that. So white has to be at the side of the cube. So in our case, the left side. Now we do the following. We move that face up, then we rotate the upper layer in our direction, and then we twist that face down again. Now that piece here is positioned correctly. Okay, we will do it one last time for the last white corner piece, which is here. It has white already at its side, so this is alright. We will position this piece right above the place where we want it to be. So this would be that place here. Green, red, green, red. Now we look at the cube like that. So white has to be at the side of the cube, so in our case the left side. And then we do the following. We twist that face here up, we move the upper layer in our direction, and then we twist that face down again. And now this piece is positioned correctly too. Okay, now we have solved the first layer of the cube. In the next video I will show you how you can solve the second layer of the cube by using commutators and conjugates. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot.